What up, y'all? So I got the lights in, just one long red LED strip. So what I did was I cleaned the bottom end off with alcohol, wiped it off real clean and smooth, and then put 3M on the actual LED strip all the way down to the end, and then just 3M it in place. And the wires are gonna come up towards the front side. So it's a little small hole in there already from where the plastic goes together, right there. And you just run the wire through that, kind of grab it through that fender vent, and then I pull it through the inside, and I poke a hole in this rubber grommet. Once you pull that out, stick your wire in that, and then you pull it across to the inside. It's a little rubber square up above the hood latch. You just pop that out, pull your wire through that, and there's some wires going through it already, and you kind of just put it with those bundles of wires going through there, snap that square piece back in. And it's pretty much the same way for the passenger side. So it'll be clean off the bottom end with alcohol, put some 3M tape on it, hold it down, and right in the front where it all comes together, you kind of tuck your wire through, pull it up through the door jamb or whatever, poke it through that rubber grommet, and then pull it back to the inside. And that'll be the same deal. You have to take off this little plastic part on the inside, and then the little rubber square will be there. You just pull that out and pull your wires through.